My colleague Piyush Mishra is joining us live on the broadcast. Piyush is joining us from Ram Leela Maidan in Delhi, where the grand oath ceremony is slated to take place post 12 noon today. Piyush, what can you tell us about what the preparations are like at Ram Leela Maidan? We heard that it was all decked up for the oath ceremony.
Well, Chetna, preparations have been completed and at around 12:15, what we are told is that the oath taking ceremony will take place. The Chief Minister will take oath at 12:15 noon. Before that, all dignitaries will take their place. PM Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, JP Nadda, along with him, all cabinet ministers. In fact, all senior leaders of NDA will also be the part of this oath-taking ceremony. BJP has invited around 45,000 workers from across the city. Also, at the same time, people from slum clusters have also been invited. Celebrities will also be the part of this oath-taking ceremony. Diplomats have also been invited. So there's a big list of people who have been invited who are going to take part in this grand oath-taking ceremony. So before oath-taking ceremony begins, let me also try to show you the visuals from the roundabout of Mandi House, where you can see as to how huge posters have also come up. My video journalist Anil Jaiswal is also focusing on a poster which reads Viksit Delhi Shapath Samaroh, 20th February 2025, 11 a.m. Ram Leela Maidan, Delhi. You all are invited. So through these hoardings and posters, BJP is also inviting people of Delhi to take part in oath-taking ceremony. Preparations have almost been completed. The entire area of Ram Leela Maidan has been taken over by SPG. Only authorized persons are allowed to enter inside the oath-taking ceremony venue. So it's going to be a grand mega show for Bharatiya Janata Party, where all leaders of BJP, including the one who campaigned for the party during the Delhi Assembly polls. This also includes the list of various chief ministers and the deputy chief ministers of NDA-ruled states. So it's going to be a mega show of strength of BJP when Delhi will have its own chief minister after 27 years of struggle. Chetna.
Absolutely, Piyush. 11 a.m. is when the guests will start arriving at the oath venue, and 12:30 post noon is when we will see the oath ceremony taking place.